everyone, we are Reef Habitix, and our product is a 3D printed artificial reef module designed to help restore coral habitats and support marine biodiversity. I've always liked the movie Fantastic Beasts because it reminds me that many amazing creatures live in worlds we may not always see, but they still deserve care and protection. To me, the ocean is very similar. In Hong Kong, we are surrounded by the sea, yet many people may not realize that beneath the water, there are always real fantastic beasts, coral, fish, and other marine life. Before the competition, our idea started from one simple question: can we turn food waste into a new home for marine life? Hong Kong people love seafood and many oyster shells are thrown away every day. At the same time, our coastal environment is facing pressure from climate change, development, and pollution. So we use 3D printing and recycled shell material to create a reef structure that is practical, sustainable, and ocean-friendly. At first, I thought the competition was mainly about making the most impactful product. But after joining, I realized the impact is not only about the idea itself. We also have to think about real users, materials, costs, manufacturing, and whether the design could truly work in the sea. The most valuable part was prototyping and iteration. Every test helped us improve the structure, service design, and material selection. Pitching also teaches us how to explain our technical ideas as a simple story. Receiving this award gives us great encouragement. It shows that our research could become more than a paper or lab report. It can become a real solution for society. Our next goal is to bring this 3D printed artificial reef into coastal restoration projects. Just like Fantastic Beasts reminds us to protect hidden creatures, our product protects the fantastic beasts under the sea. Corals are animals that cannot speak for themselves, so we use 3D printing and science to speak up for them.